Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. I was originally going to do a system test video this week, but instead I decided to pop open this package. This is from Zach, aka Fire Alarm Tech, aka the Almighty Zach, which is his name on the Fire Panel forums and the Fire Alarm Technicians and Collectors Discord. So, it looks like it's a nice, comfortable chair, a Guilford Executive high-back chair, body-friendly for enhanced comfort and support. I'm going to make a couple more incisions in this package so we can look at this nice, beautiful chair. Stand by one moment. Well, I took a peek inside. For those of you expecting that it was a nice, comfortable chair, you're going to be kind of disappointed. I looked inside and it was a nice looking grayish tan cabinet. Well, let's turn it over a little bit and we can see what it is. It's quite the heavy thing. Yeah, let me pause the video and I'll flip it over. Alright, I got it flipped over. It is a Simplex 4003 voice control panel. That's right, ladies and gents. I now have voice evac. I have more videos of this coming up. That's right, it's not a chair.